In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a video to Framer website. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to place a video on your page and connect it to a file from your computer. By the end, you'll have a video element sitting exactly where you want it, playing the clip you've uploaded. Start inside your Framer project with the page open where you want the video to appear. Begin by opening the Insert panel. This is the library where Framer keeps all the components you can add to your canvas. If you don't see it yet, look for the Insert option in the interface. Clicking it will slide out a panel with categories and components you can use. Next, choose the Media category. This narrows the panel to items related to images, audio, and video. It helps you get straight to the component you need without hunting around. Now, drag the video component from the media list and drop it onto your canvas. Place it inside the frame or section where you want the video displayed. You can reposition it by dragging and resize it using the handles so it fits your layout. If you're using a grid or a stack, align it so it snaps cleanly to your design. Keeping the video inside a parent frame helps maintain consistent spacing on different screen sizes. With the video element on the canvas, select it. You'll know it's selected when its boundaries are highlighted and the properties for video appear in the right-hand panel. That panel is where you'll set the source and adjust basic options. Click Upload in the Properties panel to add your video source. This tells Framer you're about to provide a file. For best results, use a modern web-ready format like MP4 encoded with H.264. Keeping the resolution to 1080p or below and compressing the file will help your page load quickly while still looking sharp. When the upload dialog appears, click. Choose File. Navigate to the video on your computer, select it, and confirm. You'll see the upload begin, and once it finishes, the placeholder on the canvas will switch to your actual video. Give it a moment if the file is large. You can preview the page to make sure playback looks smooth and the sizing matches your design. That's all there is to it. Open Insert, go to Media, drag the video component onto your canvas, select it, click Upload, and choose your file. With those steps, you've added a video to your Framer website and connected it to a locally hosted source ready to showcase your content.